Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a cap. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw a upside down U and let's draw a curve. Now let's draw the bill. Now draw a small curve on the top of the crown. Now let's draw the panel lines and then draw small circles for the eyelets. Now let's draw 4 straight lines on the bill. Now using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.